In front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone at the top right corner. If you can't see it, tap on this gear, select voice typing and use this switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on visible microphone. Lastly, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!